In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use YouTube to promote your brand products and services. So if you are planning to do digital marketing of your business using YouTube, then this video is for you. Now, I'm sure you already know that YouTube is the second largest search engine and it's also owned by Google itself. And the best part about this search engine is that the results and the content that is available in this platform is video, which is the most preferred type of content that people wish to consume these days. So if you are planning to do digital marketing of your business, then make sure you have a plan for YouTube as well. And in this video, we're gonna lay down few points that you should make sure or you can take care while doing YouTube marketing for your business. So let's start with the point number 1, and that is creating your YouTube account. Now this one is the first step for doing any marketing on YouTube, especially the content marketing. So make sure you create your brand account on YouTube, not an individual account, because in future I'm sure you will be handing over some responsibilities to manage this channel to someone else in your team. Then with the brand account on YouTube, you will be able to add or remove multiple managers for your channel. But that is not the case with individual YouTube account. You cannot add managers in that. So make sure you take the first step to start your YouTube channel, but make sure it is a brand account. Then comes the step number 2, listing down the problems of your audience. Now, as we have already covered in our previous videos how you can find your target audience, and you can use the same strategy and collect the questions and pain points of your target audience, and with that you will be able to list down the topics that you want to create videos around. That brings us to the point number 3, that is creating videos that solves your audience problem. And not just that, while solving the problem of your target audience, you should also mention how your product or services can be helpful in that, so that your audience will be able to know the product that you are selling or the service that you are providing is going to solve their XYZ problem. And that will automatically do the marketing of your product and services. And once you are ready with these videos, then comes the next step, that is optimizing your videos. Now make sure you do the study of basic SEO techniques for YouTube videos, like optimizing your title, description, tags and thumbnails. So all that technical stuff need to be taken care very carefully so that you can optimize your video for better results. And once you have made your video live, then comes the next step. You can run ads on this. Running ads. Now this one is optional. If you want to go with pure organic content marketing, you can just keep publishing good videos and keep solving your audience problems, and eventually you will be able to grow your audience, and then you can pitch your product and services to them. But in order to accelerate this process, you can surely go ahead and try some paid ads with Google Ads. And as mentioned before in our previous videos, these ads in the initial stage will help you understand the response of your audience and what are the new questions and the problems your audience facing. So that will be a good exercise to know more and to know better about your audience. And then along with that, you can optimize your product and services. And then comes the next part, that is optimizing your overall channel look as a brand. Now in order to be an authority in your category, you need to make sure your channel should reflect your brand. So make sure you do the basic optimization like about page, the social links, the banners and the thumbnails and all the things that actually make the overall look of your channel, and that look should reflect a legit brand, so that if anyone visits your channel, they should feel like that they are visiting a good quality brand or a company. And that will actually build up a lot of trust, and people will start taking interest in your content and then eventually will buy your product and services. So these are some of the basic things that you can do to do digital marketing of your business on YouTube. So if you have any questions regarding YouTube marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to ask us in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.